Welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Asad, and if this is your first time on my channel, this is a channel all about cinematography, photography, tech reviews and stuff of that nature. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, do check some other videos out on my channel. Today is a very special day, especially for the people who have been following me for a while, and myself as well, of course. So I got this box today. I'm really excited. So finally the R5 came, and let's do some unboxing and see what's inside the box. Well, I'm seeing this for the first time myself too, so let's see and unbox this thing. See what we have inside the box. Manual. The batteries, I heard these are a little bit different than the old Canon batteries, but if you have a 5D Mark III, Mark IV, the batteries would work here too. USB-C to USB-C cable, always come in handy. You can see how many Canon L series lenses I have here. Making good use of them. Same charger. And here it is, guys. Woo. Okay, here we go. R5. Feels really good though. Currently shooting on the 5D Mark III, and this thing relatively small as compared to 5D Mark III. Okay, let's try to turn this thing on, and remaining footage that you're gonna see is gonna be from this camera. So welcome back to the studio, guys. I hope you like the small sequence that I have shown you. It was all shot on 120 frames per second in 4K mode and also on C-Log, and then I applied my own color LUTs on it to get the look that you've seen. First of all, I just want to clear one thing and get this thing out of the way. The camera did not overheat. I shot for hours and ran out of memory, but I did not see any sign of overheating in all the modes. So that's one thing to consider. I think Canon have fixed this issue with the software upgrade that was given to the R5. And also, if you're a hybrid shooter, you should not have any problems in using this camera. I did not take a lot of photos with this yet, but I just took a few pictures in my backyard the other day and applied my own presets and I really love them. I shot all of them using the 50mm 1.2, and you can see how good the quality is. All of these, as I mentioned, were shot using the 50mm 1.2 RF lens. That's the only RF lens I have got with R5. Because if you like this video, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned, because I'll be making more videos going forward about R5 and cinematography in general. And I'm also still in a learning phase of filmmaking, so let me know if you have any feedback down below. I'll try to improve my content going forward. So on that note, I'm gonna say goodbye, and I'm gonna see you guys next week with another video. Goodbye.